I presume you're looking for a broiler pan since you're on my website. Yes, you have found absolutely the best broiler pan ever created. Let me tell you the problem with broiling that most cooks do not know. This is the broiler pan like the one that came free with your great-grandmother's stove, your grandmother's stove, and perhaps your stove. If you've ever used this pan, you know it's the most hated piece of cookware ever created. Actually, I hated this pan so much, years ago, I decided to do something about it. I actually watched hamburgers broil on this pan, and guess what? All the smoke came from the rack and none from the meat. I was flabbergasted. The pan is the problem. At that point, I was able, fairly simply, to invent the world's first broiler pan that does not smoke, does not splatter, does not flare up, and never requires scrubbing. It's amazing. Yes, it's unbelievable, but it's true. This is the simple pan that I invented in 1967, 50 years ago. Yes, 50 years ago. I have been selling this pan since 1975. Thousands of cooks have bought this pan, and I have had over 1,000 testimonials I never paid a cent for. People write the most praising things about this pan ever. It's a simple looking pan. It's all 18/8 stainless steel. This rack is very rare. It was rare in 1975 when I first started selling it. It's rare today. This is made out of 18/8 stainless steel. There's no chrome or nickel plating to slough off. This is 100% 18/8 stainless, so is the pan. This is a beautiful, beautiful pan. You put the rack on top of the pan. It won't slip off, but you just pick it up. The rack sits on top of the pan where it should be. You can broil and roast all kinds of food. Let me tell you, well, first of all, you put, this is the secret, one of the secrets. This is called a WaterBroiler WaterRoaster pan. The way you use it is so simple. You put 1.5 cups of cold water into the pan. You put the meat you want to broil or roast, hamburgers, steaks, chops, fish, half a ham, a chicken, 11-pound turkey, pork loin roast, on top of the rack. You put that in your 350-degree oven for roasting under your broiler for broiling. I promise you, you can do 6 hamburgers with no smoke or splatter. This pan is perfectly sized to fit in your divided sink, in your dish rack, in your dishwasher. This pan, I guarantee you will love it. It is you can go to my website, WaterBroiler.com, www.WaterBroiler.com, to read more about it. Now this is some of the food here that you can cook on it. This will actually hold an 11-pound turkey. And you can do a prime rib roast for 8 people. You can do, this is a pork crown roast with 14 chops. But this pan is perfect for singles and couples too. Yes, you can cook for a crowd if you do a ham or some other type of food. You can do 14 people there, but this is perfect for singles and couples because you won't hesitate to cook a hamburger or 1 fillet or 1 piece of salmon. It cleans so easily, there's no trouble. One lady wrote and she said if there were a Nobel Prize for cookware, you'd get my vote. I'll take it. Okay. This pan truly is remarkable. Okay, I guarantee you'll love this pan. You can use it 365 days, that's 1 year, without risking 1 cent. Here's my guarantee. It's the best guarantee I've ever heard of. I will let you use my pan for 1 full year, every day for a year if you want, twice a year. One lady said she used it 11 times the first week. You may use it 12 times. Here's the point. If you want to return it and get all the money you paid, every cent, including postage both ways, I'll pay the return also. There's only one condition. It has to be returned in used condition. I will not take back a new pan. Because once you've used it, once you've tasted the food on it, once you've cleaned it, you won't give it up for anything.